Lesson: Strategies for achieving precision in language. Precision in language is an essential skill for professionals across various fields, particularly for those involved in prompt engineering, where clarity and specificity can significantly influence the outcome of artificial intelligence applications. Effective communication is not merely about conveying a message, but ensuring that the message is understood as intended. Achieving precision in language requires a strategic approach that incorporates a variety of actionable tools and frameworks. One fundamental strategy for enhancing precision in language is the adoption of the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. This principle suggests that simplicity should be a key focus when crafting messages. By minimizing complexity, professionals can reduce the risk of misunderstandings and improve the clarity of their communication. An example of the application of the KISS principle can be seen in technical manuals, where instructions are broken down into simple, easily digestible steps to ensure users can follow them without confusion. Research supports this approach, as studies have shown that simplified language can lead to better comprehension and retention of information. Another effective tool for achieving precision is the use of frameworks such as SMART criteria, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework is often applied in project management and goal setting, but can be effectively used to enhance clarity in communication. By ensuring that language meets these criteria, professionals can provide clear and actionable instructions. For example, instead of saying, "improve customer satisfaction," a SMART goal would specify, "increase customer satisfaction ratings by 10% within 6 months through quarterly training sessions." This level of specificity eliminates ambiguity and provides a clear path for implementation. The use of active voice over passive voice is another strategy that contributes to language precision. Active voice clarifies who is performing the action in a sentence, reducing ambiguity. In legal and technical documents, where precision is paramount, active voice helps in assigning responsibility and clarifying actions. For instance, the sentence, "The report was reviewed by the manager," can be made more precise as the manager reviewed the report. The preference for active voice is supported by cognitive studies, which suggest that readers process active sentences more quickly and accurately than passive ones. Employing a structured approach to communication through frameworks like the PACT model can also enhance precision. This model encourages communicators to consider the purpose of their message, the audience's needs, the context of the communication, and the appropriate tone. By addressing these elements, professionals can tailor their language to be more targeted and precise. For example, communicating a policy update to a team might require a formal tone and thorough context, while an informal tone might be appropriate for a team-building event invitation. Studies in communication theory highlight the importance of context and audience analysis in ensuring message clarity. Precision in language can also be enhanced through the use of technology, such as grammar checking and linguistic analysis software. Tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor can help identify complex sentence structures, passive voice, and unclear wording, offering suggestions for improvement. These tools are invaluable for professionals seeking to refine their language for precision and clarity. A case study on the use of such tools in corporate settings found that teams using language checking software produced documents with 30% fewer errors and improved readability scores. Moreover, real-world challenges often require a deep understanding of technical jargon and terminology, especially in specialized fields. Developing a glossary of terms specific to an organization or industry can aid in maintaining consistency and precision in language. For instance, in the medical field, precise terminology is critical to ensure patient safety and effective treatment. A study on the impact of standardized terminology in healthcare found that the implementation of a unified language system reduced medical errors by 20%. Furthermore, feedback mechanisms are crucial for refining communication skills and achieving language precision. Peer reviews, feedback sessions, and communication audits can provide insights into how language is perceived and understood by others. Incorporating feedback loops allows professionals to continuously improve their communication strategies. For example, a feedback loop in a marketing team might involve regular reviews of campaign messages to ensure clarity and alignment with brand objectives. Research indicates that organizations with robust feedback mechanisms demonstrate greater effectiveness in communication, leading to improved team performance. In conclusion, achieving precision in language is a multifaceted endeavor that requires strategic approaches, practical tools, and continuous refinement. By simplifying language, utilizing frameworks like SMART and PACT, favoring active voice, leveraging technology, and developing standardized terminology, professionals can enhance the clarity and effectiveness of their communication. Additionally, incorporating feedback mechanisms ensures ongoing improvement and adaptation to real-world challenges. These strategies collectively contribute to the principles of clear communication, ultimately advancing proficiency in prompt engineering and related fields. As the demands for precise language continue to grow in complexity and importance, these tools and frameworks provide a solid foundation for professionals striving to master this critical skill.